Find a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down. Allow your body to settle and become still. Take a deep breath in and out, letting your eyes gently close. Imagine yourself walking along a peaceful forest path. The air is fresh and clean, and you can feel a gentle breeze against your skin. In the distance, you begin to hear the soft sound of flowing water. With each step, the sound grows clearer. You're drawing closer to a magnificent waterfall. As you approach, feel the cool mist in the air, refreshing your face and body. Stand before the waterfall now. Watch as the crystal clear water cascades down the rocks, creating a continuous flow of pure white energy. Listen to its steady, rhythmic sound. Let this sound wash away any tension you're holding. The waterfall represents constant renewal. Each droplet is fresh, new, pure. Just as this water flows endlessly, let your breath flow naturally. Notice how your chest rises and falls, like the gentle ripples in the pool below. Imagine the waterfall's pure energy flowing over you, cleansing your body and mind. Any stress or worry is gently carried away by the water. Feel a deep sense of peace washing over you. Watch the sunlight playing on the water's surface, creating sparkles of light that dance and shimmer. Each sparkle reminds you of the present moment, beautiful and perfect just as it is. Take 3 deep breaths, feeling more relaxed with each exhale. The waterfall continues its peaceful flow, reminding you that you can return to this calm place whenever you need. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the surface supporting you. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Take one final deep breath, and when you're ready, open your eyes.